Hey y'all, welcome back to Cooking with Tram and
Tram.
Today we're making a popular Vietnamese comfort food called Caramelized Braised Fish, also known as gà kho pho. This classic dish is sweet and savory and will make the perfect and delicious meal for any occasion. So y'all, let's get right to cooking. We are going to start off by cleaning our fish by dousing mirin over it and gently rubbing it, and then let it sit for 10 minutes before we rinse it and dry it off. This will help get rid of any fishy taste. Next, we'll prepare our aromatics. So smash 4 cloves of garlic and mince it. Dice a big bulb of shallot and chop 2 stalks of green onion. We'll use the white part to cook and the green part to garnish, so keep them separated. Also, chop some rice paddy herbs and Thai chili to be used as garnished as well. Now let's get to cooking. So heat up 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and add 2 tablespoons brown sugar and stir it around until it caramelizes to a beautiful dark amber color. And then add in our aromatics, which include the garlic, shallots, and the white part of green onions. Cook this until it starts to smell good, and then add the catfish to the pan and toss them to make sure they're evenly coated. Sear on one side and then flip it over to sear the other side. Now season it with 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1/2 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and a dash of cracked black pepper. Once the sauce starts to thicken, add in the coconut soda and deglaze the pan and let it braise for 10 minutes covered on medium-low heat. After 10 minutes, flip the fish to the other side and let it braise for an additional 10 minutes or until the sauce has thickened or has reduced to the caramelized consistency. Now, it's ready to be plated and topped off with rice paddy herb, green onions, fried shallot, red Thai chili, and some freshly cracked black pepper. And friends, here is the final product: Vietnamese braised and caramelized fish. We hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye!